Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Firefox from light mode or whatever color theme you're currently running on Windows to dark mode and back again. So to do this, all you have to do is go to the three little slash marks in the upper right hand corner, go to settings, and inside of here just type in dark mode or just dark. And it'll ask you what appearance that you want for Firefox. So by default, Firefox is going to pull from whatever your color scheme is on Windows, but you can change it to purely light mode or to dark mode depending on what you prefer to look at. I personally like a lot of dark mode stuff, but I'm not sure if I really want that in my browser, but I think I'll give it a try and see how I like it. So if you ever, for whatever reason, don't like that anymore, you can just switch it back to light mode by just looking up dark or light, or automatic, which again pulls from your Windows color scheme, which is oftentimes based on whatever your wallpaper is at the time. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.